My name is Labasent A. Kumato, and my topic is geometric design, and I am part of the topic of solid, uh, polyhedron, and non-polyhedron. Geometry is the geometry of three-dimensional space, the kind of space we live in. There are three dimensions. It is called three-dimensional or 3D because there are three dimensions: depth and height and width. There are two primary classifications of solids are polyhedron and non-polyhedron. A polyhedron is a three-dimensional shape composed entirely of the surface, each of which is a polygon. Non-polyhedra, on the other hand, are solids that possess curved surfaces or a combination of both curved and flat surfaces. Is a polyhedron a solid made of that surfaces? Each surface is a polygon. A platonic solid is a type of convex polyhedron characterized by all its faces being congruent, convex, regular polygons that do not intersect each other except their edges and having the same number of faces that meet each vertex. There exist five platonic solids, which are tetrahedron, cube, decahedron, dodecahedron, icosahedron. The tetrahedron is four faces, four vertices, six edges, and the cube is six faces, eight vertices, 12 edges, and the decahedron is eight faces, six vertices, 12 edges, and the dodecahedron is 12 faces, 20 vertices, 30 edges, and the last is icosahedron, 20 faces, 12 vertices, 30 edges. Type of a polyhedron characterized by its flat sides, where each side is a polygon. It maintains a consistent cross-section throughout its length. Here are a few examples of prisms. First is a triangular, rectangular, hectagonal, hexagonal, trapezoidal, square prism, pentagonal prism. And the pyramid is a polyhedron made by connecting a base to an apex. There are many types of pyramids, and they are named after the shape of their base, from one to connecting a base. Some of these are follow. First is a triangular, next is the square pyramid, and the last is a pentagonal pyramid. The next part of my topic is non-polyhedra. There are four polyhedra. First is the sphere. Sphere. Sphere is a three-dimensional object that is perfectly round in shape. Unlike polyhedra, is not considered a polyhedron because its surface is smooth and lacks any flat faces, edges, or vertices. The sphere exhibits complete symmetry with no distinguishing points, and all points on its surface are equidistant from the center. And the next is the cylinder. Cylinder is a three-dimensional object that consists of a curved surface and two parallel circles or equal sides. At its ends, the curved surface is formed by connecting corresponding points of the two circles with the segments. Due to its curved surface, a cylinder is not classified as a polyhedron. And the next is the torus. Torus is solid formed by revolving a small circle along a little made by another circle. It has no edges or vertices, and therefore it's not a polyhedron. And the last is the cone is made by rotating a triangle. The triangle has to be a right angle triangle and it gets rotated around one of its two short sides. The side it rotates around in is the axis or the cone. It has a flat base and has one curved side. Because it has a curved surface, it's not a polyhedron. And that's all. Thank you.